VPN protocols ensure an appropriate level of security to connected systems, when the underlying network infrastructure alone cannot provide it. Several different protocols can be used to secure and encrypt data. They include: VPN protocols are the set of rules and processes that govern how data is transmitted and encrypted over a virtual private network, VPN. Different protocols offer varying levels of security, speed, and compatibility. Here are some common VPN protocols. OpenVPN. Security, highly secure and open source. Flexibility, supports both TCP and UDP for connections. Platforms, widely supported on various platforms. Usage, commonly used for its security and versatility. Internet Protocol Security. Security, offers strong security through encryption and authentication. Implementation, often used in combination with other protocols like L2TP. Platforms, supported on various devices and operating systems. Usage, commonly used in enterprise environments. Layer 2 tunneling protocol with IPsec. Security, provides security through IPsec. Compatibility, supported by many devices and operating systems. Usage, commonly used for mobile devices. Point-to-point tunneling protocol. Speed, generally faster but considered less secure. Compatibility, widely supported but becoming less common due to security concerns. Usage, less popular due to security weaknesses. Internet Key Exchange version 2 with IPsec. Security, offers strong security and is known for its stability. Mobility, designed to handle mobile connections, making it suitable for smartphones. Usage, commonly used for mobile devices. Secure Socket Tunneling Protocol. Security, provides a high level of security through SSL, TLS. Platforms, primarily used on Windows platforms. Usage, commonly used for Windows-based systems. WireGuard. Speed, known for its speed and efficiency. Security, offers strong security. Simplicity, designed to be lightweight and easy to implement. Usage, gaining popularity for its performance and simplicity. When choosing a VPN protocol, consider factors such as your security requirements, the devices and platforms you use, and the balance between security and speed that suits your needs. It's also important to note that the security of a VPN connection relies not only on the protocol but also on the encryption algorithms and key lengths used. Always stay updated with the latest information regarding security protocols and best practices.